Mike, where are we?
Indianapolis.
Yeah.
We're going to PRI to look at some epic race cars, talk to some epic people in the industry, hopefully make some good connections, and have a good time.
Look at that view, though.
Dude, that's beautiful here. And the sun. We literally had a snowstorm when we left.
No, it's business casual, buddy. It's a little wrinkled, but it's fine.
Pat it down a little bit. This is the intersection where cars in Grand Theft Auto get split right in the middle by running into the peak of our, and we get a full bird's eye view of it. Anyways, we gotta get going to PRI. We're already late. So we're here at the K&N booth, you know, having our meeting. This is one of our sponsors, and we're gonna continue working with them. That's interesting. Going to, I'm not gonna say what we're doing next year.
Bleep.
We're gonna continue working with them next season, 2024, working out the details. We're now on our way to go check out some transmission stuff. GSR is what I'm running. GSR is what we're gonna be running in the future builds and in the current builds. It's all about creating value for the companies that we work with. So it was a year ago today that we were right here at PRI at the Royal Purple booth where we saw Dylan Hughes with our products for the first time. Here we are again with the exact same control arms that were there before, although after a full Pro 1 season. They looked honestly just as good as they did then. And it's just kind of like a surreal moment where the progress that the company's made and that we've made as drivers, as working with Dylan, it's been amazing. And he's sticking with us for 2024. We're solidifying some more deals with Royal Purple because that's the only thing that we use in our car. Overall, really cool. The car survived really well this year also.
Go to content manager like you do like at the shop.
Yeah, let's go.
BDC car will go on the normal track so you can just drift.
How's your dinner going? Oh, there's more meat.
Dude,
I'm good at this.
We finished day one at PRI. We met and talked to a bunch of great guys. We're just about to head out for kind of like the second part of the day where we interact with everyone at the bar or wherever we're going, out for food. This is generally... What?
We're going scootering.
We'll update you tomorrow when we're back for our second day of PRI, and then we are going to Orlando where we're going to hang out with Donnie D-Spec at the compound and do some 3D scanning. Sean Booth, he's on his way back from Connecticut trying to drive and make it so that he can hang out with us. We're going to get some work done in Florida and continue this vlog from there.
He's also lying. We're filming on the phone because there's going to be scooter shenanigans going down.
Oh yeah, you're good now. Yeah, you're good.
All right, I don't know if we're on the right width setting, Jack, so hopefully this works.
Sorry, Jack.
Donnie and I are gonna throw on the new...
We got new lowers.
We're gonna throw on the new lower. So, this is the new lower control arm. So the beauty of this is, fabrication-wise, it's just made out of one piece of alloy steel instead of three. And it's easier to build, but it's also a decent amount stronger with a nice chunky cutout here to allow for the maximum angle clearance with sway bars. This arm has a smooth adjuster on the subframe and the caster. So if you look at the old one, this is still an adjustment that you need to unbolt in order to lengthen. And then this point is a smooth adjuster. So the beauty of this, we don't actually have to remove this cross member. We can simply just take this smooth adjuster off, the arm will come off, and then we can put the new arm on. So that is going to save you a ton of time on a 350Z because these crossmember braces are kind of a pain to unbolt. And this is going to be probably a 5 to 10 minute swap on each side. So it's going to be really quick. Throw these on. You only need a couple tools, probably a 19 inch and an 1/8, probably a 17 and a 14, and then you can take the whole thing off just with the shock and subframe. So we're going to do that. Donnie's already on it.
We on it.
Donnie, welcome back to the channel, boy.
Oh, I'm back.
All right, Donnie's got the one side in, so you can see the differences between the two.
Yeah, we still have the original design here. And if you look at this side, you're just gonna see that we have easier adjustment points on both. Both mounting points are actually now parallel with each other, which beforehand we had a slight angle kicked on the caster adjustment. We had to determine how to bend this alloy steel, which we did make a die for it. And now we're able to bend it and keep this all one piece. We have our bump stop adjustment here. So we will go lock to lock after we put the new one on, but essentially the bump stop is going to contact the knuckle. And everything else went on just like the other one, although if we ever wanted to take this control arm off, we would actually not have to take this subframe bolt out ever, which we just had a bit of an issue with because Donnie had the bolt in the other way, which means that when you pull the bolt out, the rack is in the way. But now with the control arm, you just back off this adjuster nut and the whole arm comes off while the Heim joint stays on the subframe. That aspect of the kit is probably one of the most valuable things. So we're gonna slam the other side on and get to it. See how she handles. All right, so we're actually taking the Heim joint out of the control arm because we can just throw that on like that. So we're putting the bolts and the Heim joint on the shock, and we have the Heim joint on the subframe. So both of these locate within the control arm. And these are harder to put in than these are in the arm. So this is going to be a much faster way. So now we have 3 Heim joints connected to the chassis, and we just need to slither the arm on.
And only line up one misalignment space.
And then this is how the arm comes off and goes on with none of the Heim joints in its place.
So it makes it way more realistic to change out an arm in a quick 5 minute.
Yeah. Put this on. And then we just slide this over.
It's also got fresh powder coat on it, so we got.
So at this point, we're already connecting the arm. And we just need to throw the smooth adjusters in place. Okay.
Here, there you go.
Okay, leave it there, Don. Okay, spacers in here. Okay, so that's in. Arm swapped. I don't know how long that was, but it was like 4 minutes probably.
We're at 4 minutes and 25 seconds right now.
Wow.
Want to go over the differences of mounting the sway
What
bars?
hole should I use?
Sure. Stiffest is going to be all the way over. With an adjustable link, you'll be able to get to this one, but with the OEM one, you're only going to be able to use these 3. So Donnie wants the stiffest front bar, so we're going to go in this one. Yep.
Yeah, Donnie knows how to do a real car, so this is paint. It's all paint. And then you put stickers over the paint. But your base is a nice paint layer. It doesn't even have to be the best. 20 footer. We're not expecting $10,000 paint. Just single stage.
Like even
Go down to
under
Napa.
the, like under the hood and
Yeah,
everything.
it's even got the raccoon straight.
Yeah, I'm just gonna.
What do you think of this?
Dude,
I was just looking
it's truck motor. Got Donnie D-Spec. Got a lot of nice parts on it. Excessive parts. With some Donnie D-Spec fab with a nice throttle body on there. Got all the sensors in. We got some Steel-It.
Bossman needs a turbo in his life.
We need some drag
We
racing.
did the aluminum welding on this, Don.
Wow, dude.
Was it you?
Yeah, maybe if you paid attention to the group chat, you would have seen that.
Yeah, I missed that.
What's up, buddy?
Yo, Josiah. What's up, dude?
Hey guys, what's going on?
What you up to right now?
We're gonna be scanning the front end of this car to design a kit. We originally were not going to do that, but then we had enough interest, minimum of 10 people, to want me to design it, produce a kit, and then release it to market. So we had a volunteer bring a car in, so we're gonna scan it, see what the suspension's saying in the front of this car, and see what we can make happen. First things first, we gotta 3D scan the wheel well and get the picker points of the subframe so that we can determine what we need. Does it need a full knuckle? Does it need uppers? Is it a McPherson strut or is it a double wishbone? What is it? It's a big mystery, but we're gonna find out here in a couple seconds. We're targeting up this 5 Series. Really interesting point, this actually has a steering box meaning it uses this lever.
Big box
And then
guy.
this is essentially your steering rack, and it basically, it's gonna be really interesting to simulate because as you go through articulation, the more angle you have, the closer the rack is gonna move towards the wheel, and it's gonna be like a variable rack relocation kit from factory. So it's gonna improve geometry as it gets closer, but it's also gonna change Ackerman while turning. This is an experiment for sure. But we have 10 people that want a kit for this car, so.
I want to find a swamp puppy. Where can I
You
find
want a
one?
swamp?
Booth wants to go to Jolly Gators for lunch, so maybe I'll see a swamp puppy there.
Yeah, howdy up. Howdy, partner. Movie production.
Yeah, no, I just.
Jack's gonna be pissed.
Yeah.
Jack's on FaceTime up there. Jack, say hi to the vlog.
Jack, we're vlogging, dude. He said,
Say hi to the vlog.
Oh, look at it. You'll throw it. You better watch out, Ethan.
Can I get your reaction on Ethan?
Pretty good. It's better than me.
Thank you.
Oh, that was bad.